Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. Okay, on this Facebook Live. Well, some of you already seen that video of me cursing like a sailor and stuff like that, cause I was mad at my best friend for being a fake friend and stuff like that. I know she gonna watch this video and cry because I'm calling her a fake friend. Well, my reason for calling her a fake friend is because she never calls me. Hmm. You know. So for my auntie to watch my video and hear me cussing up a storm and stuff like that, I want to apologize for her hearing me curse like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, my friend Donald is watching this right now. Mm-hmm. What's up, bruh? Mm-hmm. So I may be at Randy TV house right now watching this video at his house if I uploaded this to YouTube. Okay. So uh upload my Facebook live footages to the Facebook, I mean YouTube too. Okay. That's why I saved this. All right. I'm watching this, y'all. Do y'all know what this is? Oh, of course y'all do. Y'all know what game this is. All right. Super Mario Brothers 3, the Super Nintendo version. Sorry about the screen though. Okay. Well, I know she watching this video right now. If she watching it and she know I'm talking about her, don't cry, okay? I'm not trying to put no guilt trip on you. Mm-hmm. I mean, on the serious side, I felt like she ignored me. Mm-hmm. Oh, just like what happened in 2011. Oh, uh-oh. Everybody's watching me now. Oh man, I know you're watching my video. Yes, indeed. And then she gonna tell me, who you talking about? My cousin is nosy. Oh my God, she watching me. Well, I mean, I'm not trying to be funny though, but I don't know who watches Dominoes 7. I really don't know. Yes, indeed. At the heat of the moment, I was very upset with my best friend. Because I felt like she ignored me. In case you, well, in case my cousin is watching this, well, she recently went to the hospital. Well, I don't think she wanted me to say that, but thank God she doing all right. I better keep that on the down low. I don't think she want me to say that. I guess I shouldn't have said that. Me and my big mouth. Damn, me and my big mouth. Yeah, but anyway, in 2011, I was mad at my best friend didn't. And then she did. Then my other friend told me she's with our man. Don't be stingy. Well, Domino 7 is not really a stingy person. Not necessarily in that order. Okay. All right. So once again, look at this. I'm watching this on YouTube on my TV. Okay. How I'm watching YouTube on my TV? My PS3. All right. Come on. This thing frozen. Sorry about that. I was having trouble trying to flip the camera from the first lens to the back lens. Okay. Do need to do a little sprucing up. hmm. Kind of a little embarrassed. My cousin watching me on national TV. Yeah, this is national TV, or should I say national internet, because everybody's watching. I remember I posted something on Facebook about my friend and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, so about my friend, and I ain't even mention her name, so I'm not gonna mention her right now. But she knew I was talking about. I don't know how she knew. So her coworker called me on the phone. Wait a minute. All right. No, never mind. I ain't gonna use that. Called me on the phone. I'm like, hello. Hello, is this Domino? Yeah, this is Domino. May I ask who am I speaking to? And she I say this is so and so's coworker. I'm not gonna mention her name though. I forgot this individual name, you know. So I was explaining what was going on, you know. Why did I talk bad about her? Because she came to the city without letting me know, and I wanted to see my friend so bad, you know. I wanted to see her so bad because I've been thinking about my friend, you know, thinking about her, like I'm in a relationship with her, which I'm not. Okay. I know my cousin thinking. Okay. So when I see my cousin, she gonna say, "Who you talking about on Facebook?" Or you was talking about so and so. She might say one of those. All right. But family matters I'm not gonna put on my show, you know. So family matters, you know. I'm not talking about no family matters. Steve Urkel family matters, you know. I'm talking about real life family matters, you know. I'm gonna keep the family matters off my show, okay? So I had some family matters, you know. It ain't no damn family matters. It's friendship matters, you know. Oh yeah, and the thing is, I don't like when somebody make promises to me and break their promises, you know. That's what I was mad at, you know. And let me tell you this: 2010 to 2011, my friend promised me I'll call you back. I promise you I'll call you back tonight. Okay, I overlooked that. So she broke her promise, you know. I overlooked that, you know. Then called her up. I'm like, you said you promised you was gonna call me back. Oh, I forgot. I was so tired. Well, I overlooked that though. I never, you know what I want to tell you? I never thought in my life I would ever get mad at somebody like that. You know, I never thought this special friend that I care about that I've been missing. You know, I haven't saw her since Katrina. But technically, on that note, I haven't seen her since Philip Picnic the year before last. You know, 2016. If y'all watched that episode, Philip Picnic, 2016. You know. All right, so that's how y'all gonna figure the situation, you know. And then on the serious side though, her coworker could have started disliking me for what I said, for what I did, you know. Just like I have to break this up. I know my cousin watching. And I know her mom and my auntie watching. I know that, okay? But I'm going to say it like this. I'm going to break this up. I remember I posted something on Facebook about the family member. It was I mean, I don't know why I did that. Out of anger and frustration. But guess what? I tried to sugarcoat it, but I didn't sugarcoat it, you know? So, like they say, when you sugarcoat stuff, and stuff like that, when somebody confronts you about it, if that person don't defend himself, that mean he lying. If he sugarcoated, that mean he's guilty. He or she guilty. So I try to sugarcoat it, but I didn't sugarcoat it. But thank God I fessed up to that. You know. But now she's in a better place right now. All right, so I know she's still watching. She just trying to. I better stop that. I'm just joking. Don't take it serious, okay? Please don't take it serious. I'm just playing with you, okay? Even though you want to. Yeah, I love my cousin though. I love my family, you know, because they want to see what's going on with Domino. Oh, he's live. He's live. What's he talking about? Yeah, what's he talking about? Okay, somebody else is watching. I wonder who else is watching. Woo-hoo. All right, piece of cake to that. So they say you don't want to step to this, or you want to step to that, or she got off. Oh, I don't know. Well, I'm about to call her right now. Well, I'm explaining to her who the hell I was talking about. Okay, all right, bye.